We're doing open house elegance, basically tour and wine. And during my open houses, this is how it is as well. We'll either have this wine, if there's any left. If not, there'll be something new.
Yeah, kind of flat. I don't really like it so much.
Let's try that again. First place, 20 bucks. Second place, 15 bucks. Third place, 5 bucks. 6 chances to win. Basically, after the open house, I go home. My lovely wife puts her hand in there, pulls out 6 names. You're thinking to yourself, you said only 3 prizes. There's 3 runners up. If those top three don't respond back to me in 24 hours, you have the opportunity to win. I'll show you guys something. See this cork here? I don't know if you guys can zoom in on here and see this. But see how this cork has some discoloration here and this edge is here? Some of it actually has a little bit of a sheen to it or a shine. And this one here looks like it looks like it's coming in. It's almost wet in this area. And when I touch it, it actually feels damp. This cork was from the 2013. And when it starts to run like this, it kind of has a sign of maybe the wine's turning bad, okay? What should normally be, this is gonna be the 2014 cork. I'm just gonna turn it around so you can see it. See how the only discoloration is here on the edge here, on the bottom? That means when the wine was sealed, it never made its way up past these edges. So that means that this wine is better integrity than the 2013. If I had to just look at the corks alone, I would throw out the 2013 or use it for cooking shrimp scampi, and I would keep the 2014 for drinking at the table. It's white wine, drips a little bit. I don't care because I like red wine more. I have this out because we're at an open house. I'm wearing a white shirt, and if I spill on myself or on the floor, easy to pick up, not a problem. So it may look like a prop, but it's not. It's actually my dinner. Get this salami actually from Trader Joe's. It's actually quite tasty. This right here is actually a Chex Mix that I stole from the garage. It's my wife's. Don't tell her. She'll be mad I took it. Bottle number 2. We got mirrored as well, Las Tesoras, Muscat, Canelli, Livermore Valley 2014. This is a 2013. That one was okay. I thought the cork, maybe it went bad on me. That smells much better actually. What's that? Like a vanilla smell. A little vanilla. It actually smells kind of crisp. Next time you look for a white wine that has 13.6% by volume, pick it up, right? First of all, it doesn't happen. Normally that kind of percentage is gonna be a cab, a heavy red, a blend, a Bordeaux, depends on where you are in the world. But white wine, normally not, okay? Let's see the 2013. Did that? Oh my God, the 2013 is 14% by volume. So that one's gonna be drank no matter what it tastes like, okay? Because we're on a budget. This is Paul Cardoso signing off. Salud, and God bless.